I'm Sherlock Holmes and I always work alone because no one else can compete with my massive intellect.
Obviously.
Once you start watching Sherlock, there is no going back. Considering the direction, acting, and the plot, this is the best show I've ever watched. Welcome to Neverending Brainstorm, and this is 6 times Sherlock proved to be the best television series ever.
The game is something
On.
Taxi Wordspit. This scene is from Season 1, Episode 1, A Study in Pink. No Sherlock fan can ever forget this scene, as this was the scene when people realized the importance of subtitles.
Yes, exactly.
This was the first time we saw Sherlock do his superhuman wordsmith. He tells Dr. Watson that he is a consulting detective, to which Dr. Watson says,
Please don't consult amateurs.
this line triggers Sherlock, and that's when we see Sherlock do his super speed explanation thing. Every single person's look on the face after watching the scene was, and we all agreed with Dr. Watson when he says,
Extraordinary. It's quite extraordinary.
Sherlock. This scene is from Season 2, Episode 2, The Hounds of Baskerville. For the first time, we see a completely different side of Sherlock, a side which no person ever thought would see. We see Sherlock experience fear for the first time, and that was because he saw
Gigantic hound.
Sherlock is someone who has divorced himself from feeling, but this time,
Just saying yes, emotions.
Dr. Watson does not believe it and thinks Sherlock is just tired. So to that, Sherlock asks,
You want me to prove it yet?
exactly after this, we see Sherlock do his signature wordsmith, trying to explain everything he has been observing around him, and by far, I think this is the fastest Sherlock has ever talked. This is the result of his intellectual abilities combining with the emotion of fear. The Dying Consultants. This scene is from Season 2, Episode 3, The Reichenbach Fall. This specific scene is one of the greatest considering the direction, acting, dialogue delivery, and the music. Every single thing is perfect. 90% of the reason for this scene being amazing is Andrew Scott's acting, who portrayed the character of Jim Moriarty. Every Sherlock fan will agree with me when I say that Jim Moriarty is one of the best villains of all time, as the character isn't about muscle, action, etc. He is a mastermind who is one of very few who can actually compete with Sherlock. All of this was portrayed in a fabulous manner by Andrew throughout the series, but specifically in this scene. And finally, the icing on the cake was, and every single person watching this was like, even though he died, it was more like,
मर के जीतने वाले को मोरियार्टी कहते हैं.
because at the end of the scene we see Holmes killing Holmes. This scene is from Season 4, Episode 3, The Final Problem. The emotions the characters as well as the fans are going through in this scene are unthinkable. The scene is supposed to be one of the most sentimental ones throughout the series because it is the point where Sherlock has to make a choice between his best friend Dr. Watson and his brother Mycroft. Considering the fact that Sherlock has no feelings, this should have been an easy task for him, but we have seen that the character development of Sherlock is about how he starts having feelings. We see Mycroft acting like a moron when he says,
Make her goodbyes and shoot him.
then we get to know that he's doing it.
He's being kind. He's trying to make it easy for me to kill him.
It is very emotional because finally it's going to be,
Holmes killing Holmes.
but Sherlock doesn't kill anyone. This scene is filled with crazy emotions. The final solution. This scene is from Season 4, Episode 3, The Final Problem. In the history of graveyard scenes, this is the one which is not scary at all, but instead is very interesting and filled with suspense. We have seen Sherlock visit his mind palace a lot of times throughout the series, but I think this one is the best as he visited it to solve the final problem. Even though the puzzle is really, really tough, we see Sherlock solve it in no time, and again, that's because
The name's Sherlock Holmes.
the acting, direction, and the animation to show the audience what actually goes on in Sherlock's mind is amazing. Honorable mentions. Supernova. This is a scene from Season 1, Episode 3, The Great Game. We see Sherlock solve a completely clueless puzzle in less than 10 seconds. That's what makes it amazing. Miss Me. This scene is from Season 3, Episode 3, The Last War. There is nothing extraordinary about this theme for normal people, but for Sherlock fans, this is one of the craziest thing ever as we see Jim Moriarty written.
Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Did you miss me?
Miss me?
Sherlock. This scene is from season 2, episode 1, A Scandal in Belgravia. In this scene, we can see the dominatrix Irene Adler and Mycroft Holmes negotiating, in which clearly Irene is going to have an upper hand. So basically, while watching this scene, we realize that Sherlock might actually lose for the first time. She then says,
Jim Moriarty sends his love.
that's when Sherlock realizes something. It's almost certain that Holmes' boys have lost. Then we have the classic Sherlock explanation. He explains how sentiment costs her everything, and in this scene, Lara Puller's acting is really good. The transition from a brave and confident woman to a scared and shocked woman is portrayed in a fantastic manner. Finally, the cherry on the top is Benedict Cumberbatch deserves a lot of praise as his acting made us fall in love with the character. And that is it for today, guys. Do let us know your favorite Sherlock moments below in the comment section. Also like, share and subscribe if you are new to our channel. Until next time, don't let the storm in your brain stop.
High functioning sociopath with your number.